In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unhide comments on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile, and after that you need to open up your Instagram post where you hide the comments on. Here, as you can see, I have a couple of comments, and we can easily open this comment section up by tapping right here. And now, as you can see, here we got some comments, and now I'm gonna hide one of them, and it's just been disappeared from this comment section. However, as you might have noticed down below, now it says see hidden comments. If you got a lot of comments here, then you just need to go down here, and at the very bottom you will find this tool which allows us to unhide any comments. If we tap right here, first off, it will show you all the comments that are currently hidden by you, and then if you would like to unhide some, then just tap right here at unhide and then tap right there to confirm it. As you can see, the comment has just been unhidden. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.